Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and mostly tell you how to improve conversation skills in English. That's right. I'm going to show you how to do it with my lips, but I'm mostly going to be telling you how to do it. So how to improve your conversation skills in the English language. I'll be going over 5 simple things that will help you out with this, and I'm going to keep it short and sweet, so let's get right into the video. Number 1 is to listen better. One of the best ways to speak better and speak more effectively is to listen better. So listen to people that speak well with regards to their English language speaking skills and listen to what they're saying. By listening to what they're saying, you're going to pick up certain things that you can use within your conversation skills. Number 2, imitate some of what you hear, okay? So you don't want to imitate everything that you hear, because everything that you hear will not be correct and will not be good and will not be effective with regards to conversation skills in the English language. But some of what you hear will be good. So you want to take the top 5 to 10% of what you hear and repeat that in your conversations. One example is if you're constantly saying like me and my wife or me and my friend, and you hear someone say my wife and I or my friend and I, that is a cue for you to take that piece, because that's how you say it properly. My wife and I, or my friend and I, or my dog and I, or my cat and I, or my neighbor and I, whatever you want to say with regards to something and yourself, or someone and yourself, it's that thing or that person and I. So if you hear that, you want to take that and imitate some of what you hear, just like I said with that one example. Number 3, I thought it was number 2, but we're on number 3. Read more. Now, most of what you read, as long as it's formal, will be well written. So by reading well written articles and books and so forth, newspaper articles and whatever you're reading online, right? As long as it's formal and good, by reading that, you're going to be able to pick certain things up and be better at speaking and be better at improving your conversation skills in English. Number 4, speak more. I know you might be uncomfortable speaking because you might be learning the English language, or you might be trying to improve with English, and if you're watching this video, chances are you might not be the most comfortable with the language, but speak more, even if it makes you uncomfortable. By speaking, you're practicing your conversing skills, your conversational skills. You will be conversing better by speaking more, okay? So make sure you are speaking more, even if it makes you uncomfortable. Last but not least is number 5, which is to practice in a mirror and or record yourself speaking and listen to it. By practicing in a mirror, you're going to see yourself and how you look and sound when you're speaking, which will help you with your conversation skills. And by recording yourself and listening back to the recording, you're going to be able to listen and hear the things that you did well and the things that you can do better on. And that's essentially it. That is how to improve conversation skills in the English language. 5 easy ways. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.